Hello, the topic today is collecting customer credit application or collecting a customer information from a contact. And so we're looking at a contact list that was pulled up in search, and I'm going to go directly to the message chat view by clicking on this little pink box. And now I'm in this customer's or this contact's chat view. And I'd like to be able to get all of this customer's credit application information. Now I could call him and have him give it to me and I could type it in, or from the chat view I could actually send him this send credit app. When I click on that, this text action is going to populate a link that we can either text or change this to email or whatever preferred method we have of communications up here to match up with those selections. But I can literally, and you may also have, if you don't have, maybe you don't collect credit applications, you might have customer information you need to collect. And then you would have a link here that say send customer info or send customer application. And so with that text action, we literally can send this link with one click that populates the message, and then one click message to send it out. And then that customer is going to have access to an application that's going to enable them to update this information right here in a secure way. So they can update that, and of course once they complete it, you can actually look under this credit app or customer application and be able to see that information where it was updated. So it's incredibly powerful, and we create these text actions for specific information collection with customers. So if you don't have your text action there, just let us know. But that is a very powerful way to keep from having to send customers to another website to fill out another form. You can deliver it right to their text inbox or right to their email, and they can fill it out and you can get information very, very quickly. So we thank you very much and hope that helps. Thank you.